Welcome to this how-to video. Today, we'll look at how you can reset your password for EBSCOadmin. It is important that you retain access to EBSCOadmin because it is where you enable access to EBSCO products and resources and where you optimize the user experience. You have three options for resetting your password. Option 1, use the link available on EBSCOadmin. Go to eadmin.ebscohost.com and click Forgot Your Password. Enter your username and click Continue. Look for the reset link in your inbox. Option 2, use the self-service tool on our support site. Go to connect.ebsco.com and sign in. Scroll down and locate the EBSCOadmin self-service tool. Click Learn More to activate it. Select the option to reset your EBSCOadmin password. Wait for the response. Then check your inbox for the email with instructions. Option 3, have another administrator reset it within EBSCOadmin. Instruct them to log in at eadmin.ebscohost.com, click EBSCOadmin Security at the very top of the screen, locate your username in the list, and click the Reset button next to your account. I bet you know what to do from here. That's right. Check your inbox for the email with instructions. Congratulations. You can now reset your EBSCOadmin password using the option that works best for you.